In this video, you will learn basic Python data types by building a game hero step by step. Every game character needs core stats like level and health. Whole numbers are stored as integers, while precise decimal numbers are stored as floats. To store text like player names or title, we use strings. In Python, strings are wrapped in either single or double quotation marks. To track whether a character is alive or holds a special pass, we use Booleans. These have only two possible values, true or false, always capitalized in Python. A character needs an inventory bag to store gear. Lists are ordered collections that allow you to add, remove, or modify items anytime. They are defined using square brackets. For fixed data like the character's map spawn point, X and Y, a tuple is ideal. Tuples are immutable, cannot be changed after creation, protecting fixed coordinates from accidental modification. They use parentheses. When a character earns achievement badges, duplicates shouldn't be allowed. Sets automatically discard duplicate entries and store only unique elements. They are defined using curly brackets. Finally, to bundle all these attributes into a single master profile, we use a dictionary. Dictionaries organize data into key-value pairs wrapped in curly brackets. If you found this quick breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe.